on up out of here.
You feel me? It's 11:15. I'm in the city still. My legs is killing me. You know what I'm saying? I have to go to that hood. I ain't tired. I ain't sleeping.
That's enough stretching. Get back, straight 10. Or if you bend your back, you go up like this, they're automatically disqualified. All right? So this is how we moving it. Move it. I like to. Yo, crowd, y'all ready for them? Y'all ready for them over there? Y'all ready? Are you ready? You look focused. You focused. You like, what the hell is going on right now? Let's go. I need 10 straight ones. 5, 4, 3, 1. It's over. Let's go.
Move it.
Gotta go down. Down.
I like to move it. You look to move it.
Come on, get down.
I like to move it.
You look like you giving up fast. Come on. Man, I can't. Still again. Uh-oh. We got one up out of here. It's over for you. It's over for you. Don't worry. Don't be mad. Come on. Oh, man, now we got 2 out of here. Oh, we got 3 out of here. Come on, little man. You looking serious. What you doing? Come on. Get up. You didn't know what was going on. You still here? Oh, God. Hold on. You still here too.
I like to move it.
Down to y'all too. What you doing? You getting stronger? Once you shake your hand and get stronger? That's how you get your power? What you doing over there? What? Come on. Hold on. Whoa. Hey! Hold on. Oh, shoot. Make sure y'all paying attention now. Hey! My boy got moves over here. My boy took his shoes off. Hold on, don't worry, I got you. Hold on.
Yo, you feel me? It's 11:15. I'm in the city still. Bro, my legs is killing me, you know what I'm saying? I was hungry as hell. I'm in Subway. I just got some Subway. I just killed that, you feel me? I didn't even talk at all, because like, bro, I was just not feeling it. I don't know if you guys know, I got a new gimbal, you feel me? A while ago. I was supposed to practice, because it's not like, oh, you get a gimbal and then boom, you automatically know how to use it and just go crazy with it. Like everything you get that's new in terms of content creation or in fucking life in general, like you gotta learn how to use it and utilize it to get better and to master it, you feel what I'm saying? Yeah, bro, like I struggle setting that shit up. So I'm like, yeah, bro, first time using a gimbal, bro. I didn't use it at all. You know what I'm saying? I was struggling. So I just used the tripod and I used my phone for like some of the IG content, you know what I'm saying? But like, still gonna make a movie. I'm even still making a movie. I ain't record that much as last time, but still make a movie, man. Ain't gonna lie, bro. Yo, bro. It's time to go to the hood. I am tired. I am sleepy, man.
I be running to that money, that's all I ever wanna do. They call me the money man, you should understand why it's true. See, I be getting to that bag, tryna flip 100 to 2. They showing me fake love, cause they see a nigga making moves, so I got the juice. See, I be running to that money, that's all I ever